Welcome to Part 1, Embracing Qi for Beginners. In this first installment of our three-part series, we delve into the foundational practices of Qi exercises for beginners. Embarking on this journey can be transformative, addressing common pain points such as stress, anxiety, and physical stiffness, which many encounter in their daily lives. The solution lies in the ancient art of harnessing Qi, the life force that flows within us, to restore balance and harmony to our body and mind. Understanding Qi and its significance. Qi, or Qi, is more than just energy. It's the breath of life that circulates through all living things, believed to be the vital force that sustains health and vitality. In traditional Chinese medicine, the smooth flow of Qi is essential for maintaining balance and preventing illness. When Qi is blocked or imbalanced, it can lead to physical and emotional discomfort. The pain points: stress, anxiety, and physical discomfort. Many of us lead fast-paced lives that leave little room for relaxation and mindfulness, leading to high stress levels, anxiety, and physical ailments. These issues can manifest as headaches, fatigue, muscle tension, and a general sense of unease. The root cause often lies in the disruption of Qi flow within our bodies, exacerbated by our hectic lifestyles and constant mental chatter. The solution: harnessing the power of Qi. The good news is that Qi exercises, such as Tai Chi and Qigong, offer a holistic approach to alleviating these common pain points. By focusing on gentle movements, breath control, and meditation, these practices help in guiding the Qi smoothly through the body, dissolving blockages, and restoring balance. Beginner exercises to free the mind and energize the body. 1. Standing meditation. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and arms hanging loosely by your sides. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths, focusing your attention on your lower abdomen. Visualize your Qi gathering and radiating warmth throughout your body. This exercise helps ground your energy and prepares your body for more dynamic movements. 2. Cloud hands. A fundamental Tai Chi movement. Cloud hands involves waving your arms gently from side to side, mirroring the movement of clouds in the sky. Keep your movements fluid and synchronized with your breath, allowing your waist to guide your arms. This exercise promotes flexibility and the free flow of Qi. 3. Peeling silk. Imagine holding a silk ribbon between your hands, and with each turn, you're gently peeling layers off. This exercise involves subtle, spiral movements of the hands and arms, cultivating fine control over your Qi flow and enhancing your sensitivity to its movement. 4. The crane opens its wings. Stand with your feet together, raise your arms slowly to shoulder height, and then gracefully open them wide, mimicking a crane spreading its wings. This movement helps open the chest, encouraging deep breathing and stimulating the heart meridian. 5. Rush knee and push. This Tai Chi movement combines a step forward with a simultaneous brush of one hand past the knee and a push forward with the other hand. It helps coordinate movement and breathing, improving balance and concentration while stimulating the flow of Qi through the body's meridians. The importance of flow and mindfulness. In Tai Chi, movements are often described as flowing like water. This fluidity is crucial, as it reflects the natural, unobstructed flow of Qi. As you practice, imagine your movements as a graceful dance with energy, where each motion seamlessly transitions into the next, allowing Qi to circulate freely. Guided meditation for clarity and focus. To complement your physical practice, engage in guided meditations focusing on breath and visualization. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed, and visualize a ball of radiant energy in your lower abdomen, growing brighter with each breath. As you inhale, imagine drawing in positive energy. As you exhale, envision releasing tension and negativity. This practice not only enhances your Qi exercises, but also cultivates a serene mind, free from distractions and stress. Conclusion: a journey of transformation. Embarking on the path of Qi exercises as a beginner opens the door to a world of self-discovery, healing, and spiritual growth. By addressing common pain points with these ancient techniques, you're not just improving your physical well-being, but also embarking on a transformative journey towards inner peace and harmony. Remember, the key is consistency and mindfulness. With each practice, you're one step closer to mastering the flow of Qi and unlocking the full potential of your body and mind.